Instagram, and then you want to go ahead and hit the search button, and then the top search, you're gonna put in a hashtag that you're searching a hashtag. So, example, Atlanta moms, and then it'll come out with 40,000 posts, and then you can click on it, and you can click following. Or if I want to click maybe Atlanta vegans, Atlanta vegan. Oh shoot, I can type it right. Hold on. GAN, Atlanta vegan. So then there's 7,700 posts. Here's Atlanta vegan. There's 12,000. So again, bigger. So I can go in here and it'll pull up all of anything that somebody posts that's they're hashtagging it, and I can follow it. So then the cool thing is that when something pops up and somebody hashtags Atlanta vegan, it'll be in my feed, and then I can just start a very organic conversation like, oh my gosh, like somebody posts something like this, like I can comment and say, oh my gosh, this looks delicious. Do you have a recipe?
Clean eating, you have a recipe.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So you can start organic conversations in areas you want to be. Like I could do it in Charlotte, I could do it in Huntersville where I live. Like, so I'm starting like things in your backyard, but also too, especially for things that aren't in your backyard of where you want to build. Like I want to build in Atlanta, so I'm going to sit and follow as much as I can. So the next time I do a detox dinner, I started all these different conversations. I can hashtag Atlanta vegans. They follow the hashtag too, so they're gonna say, "Oh, what's this detox dinner that you're doing?"
Right.
So then I start bringing. This is where you start expanding your reach with social media.
Okay.
Because you're truly organically reaching out to the general public this way.
Wow, that's really cool. So this is how you can expand your reach and follow hashtags.
Yep.
To do it with.
And then you can see all these other ones. So you got ATL vegan. Let me follow that one. Vegan Atlanta. Follow that one. So then all of this, Los Angeles, Chicago, don't want to do those, whatever. But then they give you suggested, other ones that you want to sit and find. Hashtag finding vegan, whatever.
Yeah.
So then you can start following these hashtags, and it'll pop up in your newsfeed. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like when I'm in my newsfeed and I see stuff, like sure. I mean, Ian Pritchard, cool. Like, but it's like, hey, what do you want to see in your newsfeed? The things that I want to see in my newsfeed are things that I can sit and start organic conversations and further my reach.
Right, perfect. Love it. Thank you, Becky.
You're welcome.